Hello, my name is Tom Sillis. I'm CEO of wetcrow.com, WETCROW. I'm the Wet Crow. Anyway, the purpose of this video is Handyman Jobs USA. Okay, now let's put it this way here. I see a lot of people posting on Craigslist, putting ads on the handyman groups. I mean, they're wasting their time, and I see them week after week, day after day, posting 3-4 times a day. They're getting desperate. Why go through the hassle? Come on, wake up. Okay, come to either wetcrow.com. I'll show you another way to do it yourself. If you want to do it yourself, you don't want to use us, that's fine. But let's take the types of stuff you can do as a handyman. You can assemble above ground pools. You got attic stairs, you got picnic tables, you got basketball hoops, you can mount TVs, you can hang pictures on walls, you can hang curtains and blinds. I mean, there's a lot more stuff. I mean, it's endless. You can install a toilet, you can change the faucet. There's a lot of stuff. I mean, we can keep you busy if you know how to do this stuff, and it's not that hard. I mean, you know how to do it. It's not rocket science to change the faucet. Neither is it to change the toilet. Okay, so again, there's two ways to do it. You can register at wetcrow.com. The link will be at the bottom of the video. Register as a service provider and start making money right away. Okay, the second option is to, and you get to choose your own price. You can set prices depending on your area. If they charge more, charge more. Okay, and we'll show you how to do that. The next step is if you want to do it on your own, you can buy cheap door hangers. They're 16 cents a piece. Okay, you can buy them from Vistaprint. There's all different companies. What you do is you go in the morning from 7 to 9. You distribute the door hangers out there. You do 200 homes, okay, a day. You'll probably pick up 3 jobs. It's going to be 3 to 4 jobs, maybe 5 jobs, depending on you know, and handyman should be more. You should do 6 jobs a day. You could be working until 10 o'clock at night, and that's what I did when I started out. I did that, and I was making a lot of money. I was making over close to $200,000 a year. Okay, and some of the more profitable, you know, when I took the more profitable jobs, I made more money. Obviously, you learn after a while, and you know, when you got the business coming in, obviously you want to try to get everybody. If you're personable, you treat them right, you treat the customer correctly, you're going to start getting referrals. I mean, you're going to not have time to go out there and put door hangers out. Then you're doing only 100 a day. Then you're doing 50 a day. It doesn't matter. Okay, you know, you're going to gauge it based on your volume of business. If you're busy, you don't need to do that anymore. You're going to have referrals. You'll have more than enough business. If you're known in town, everybody's going to have your business card. You're always going to leave it behind. And I'll give you another tip. If they spend more than $500 to $1,000 a day, buy them a freaking pizza, for crying out loud. Okay, a pizza. You know what that does for you? It makes you a lot more productive, and that's exactly what I'm trying to teach you how to do. Okay, even if you use our service, doesn't matter. Buy them a pizza. You're going to get more referrals from there, and you're going to be more busy from word of mouth than anything else. That's how you build your business. Okay, that's your job, handyman job. You know, again, go to wetcrow.com, register, and start making money right away. And you know, we'll help you out. If you have any issues, you know, we're there to help you out. Don't worry. Thank you very much.